Okay, hello everyone. Just making this quick video on how to hand in your Piktochart if that's the program you're using. Importantly, the first thing you'll need to do is to go to Piktochart and to log in and be on your dashboard page. It's also important that you have your iPad in landscape position so that you can see more of the screen. If you're holding your iPad vertically, it won't be easy to see the icons we're going to tap. So just turn that around and 90 degrees will do the job, and you should see a screen like mine. All right, so imagine that you're looking at your screen and you see my milk and cows and an elevator Piktochart. Yours will look like your design. Simply tap the example there and go to Edit. Tap Edit. Your Piktochart will load. And you'll be in editing mode. You might get a message like this. Simply close it. It's telling you that you really should use a laptop, not an iPad. And you'll get your Piktochart, and you can see mine in the right-hand side here. Okay, now take a look at my screen, and you'll have a look, and you'll see that we've got a triangle, and above the triangle we have some icons. The one on the left looks like an eyeball. The one in the middle is a download, and the one on the right is the share. Now, we're not actually going to share, we're actually going to download. So we're going to hit the one with the downward pointing arrow, tap the icon, and you'll get a screen like this. Now, because we don't have a paid subscription, we just have some options like these. And we're going to leave it as a PNG, leave the settings as they are, and down the bottom right hand side you'll see download as PNG. Tap that. This will load, might take a moment. Now the number of slides you've got might determine how long this takes, but for most of us it will be about a minute. Okay, so we've downloaded it, and you'll see that it's opened it up as a URL. We simply want to copy the URL. Copy. Once you've copied it, we're going to head across to Google Classrooms. Okay. So you'll have something like this. I'm actually on a different classroom, but I've done that so that you can see, so that I can show you what you will see. So simply tap on the assessment task. I'm going to get rid of that because I did this earlier. All right, and you'll get a screen, something like this. And it'll have your name up the top left-hand corner. Click on Add Attachment. One of the options is a link. Simply select Link, then hold your finger down and paste the link in. Add it. Wait for a moment. Okay, and then simply hand in. Alright, so now that's handed in, what I like to do before I walk away is simply tap the link and make sure that it worked. You'll see that it opens it up, opens a new screen, and there's the example Piktochart. So this is how I would like us to be submitting our Piktochart if you're using that form. Okay, thank you very much. See you in class.